Dos Hombres. Do you know who this is?
Two homies?
Well, yeah, but do you know who's behind this brand? Breaking Bad. Aaron Paul and Bryan Cranston.
I didn't watch that show.
We're going to make a kind of like a Negroni, like with gin, but we're going to use mezcal instead.
Okay.
Let's try it. 2 ounces of mezcal.
I have a hate mostly relationship with mezcal.
Oh, trust me. Of all the things I'm putting in this drink, this is the thing you're going to hate the least. Because we're making a Negroni. What does it have in it, Stephanie?
Campari.
Yeah! Woo! 1 ounce of Campari. You're not excited about this.
I'm not.
And it has the almost tequila in it. I'm going to cheer you up. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1 ounce of Blood Orange liqueur.
I kind of see what you're doing here.
You ready for a little more?
What else?
Gonna make you happier.
Okay.
1/2 ounce of lime juice.
Of course. There has to be lime juice.
I'm gonna stir this up for you. This is a Blood Orange Mezcal Negroni.
It literally smells like cigarette ash.
I'm not excited about it either, because it's almost tequila, but we're gonna give it a try, okay? So put on your big girl pants. Cheers.
That's chewy.
It's not even the Campari that's messing this up.
Oh, and the
The
smoke
smoke of the mezcal is...
just sitting in there.
When you said ashtray, wow, you nailed that.
Just smoked a whole pack of cigarettes.
I don't know. Yeah, don't do this. Ugh.